I might regret this, but I just posted my bathroom renovation on Reddit. And I said, renovated our bathroom, went a bit heavy on the tech. How can I make it feel less cold? Curious if anyone has tips on adding a bit more warmth to a space like this without, redoing everything. 960,000 people have seen it, and 1,000 comments later. Let's hear what the people have to say. Tear everything out and start over. Damn, let me enjoy it for at least a week. Is there a day mode? Night mode is sick. Thank you. The bad news is that this is when all of the lights are set to the brightest. But the good news is that when the screens are up, you get plenty of daylight, so it's not as dark as the picture makes it look like. Legit thought this was the Circle Jerk sub. Well, we made it there too. I'm impressed, but I hate it. That's fair. I mean, I know this bathroom is not for everyone. We just wanted to design something crazy and out of the ordinary. Hire a homeless guy to hand your towel when finished washing your hands, maybe. That would be a warm human gesture. At least we have a housing system here in Norway. Just saying. What's this? A Tesla dealership bathroom? Edit. Flowers that don't need sunlight. Well, yeah, here you go. Your bathroom looks like the work of a real OP. Cold is the least of your worries. Your disgusting attractions to gaudy opulence is a real problem. That's a lot of words for saying I don't like it. The importance of hiring a designer cannot be understated. But me and a designer would not agree. I mean, we're not trying to build something everyone has, and I'm happy it came out minimalistic but functional. Looks like something out of an old episode of Miami Vice. I know this is such a shame to say, but I have no idea what that looks like. Please drop me a photo. Rug, strobe lights maybe? Well. We already have that. Where is the black jacket table? You mean that's already there, right? Knowing that you spent $250,000 on a bathroom remodel and that is the prices on houses in my area makes me want to throw up. Yes, I totally get it. Where I live, you don't get far with that amount. It's also worth to mention that we've been saving money for 2 years. Every single penny has gone to funding this project. Our everyday life is not as luxurious as this bathroom makes us look. If you're curious about the prices, everything is listed in a detailed Excel spreadsheet. Yeah, when people say eat the rich, they're talking about you, OP. Toilet brush and paper holder, $1,000. Either this is a troll or OP should be paying a ton more in taxes. I totally agree. I think they can charge whatever they want because it's a very small market. But trust me, I live in Norway. All I do is paying taxes. The resulting fever from E. coli infection should add a good deal of warmth. After all the heat we gotten on Reddit, I think we're good for a couple of months. A contractor found the chump allergic to their own money and reacted appropriately. We got quotes from 6 different contractors, and believe it or not, they were all pretty similar, but we ended up choosing the ones that we felt had the strongest expertise and the best problem-solving skills. This shit is just disgusting great at this point. I'm gonna drop $250,000 so my room is nicer. Well, there are people in the US who can't even afford to eat, and it's probably an income from an executive position where the OP does nothing but decide how to make the workload larger for their employees. Being gross. I hope that the bathroom floor is real slick, honestly. This took a really dark turn. Just to clarify, I'm an engineering student who works a regular job, and my husband works with IT research infrastructure, and this was just not something we casually dropped money on. This is a big investment for us, something we saved for, and something we really thought through. Honestly, it's f***ing horrible. To be honest, those towels don't even look right at all. When you zoom in on them, this looks like AI. You mean these towels? It is cold, dark, and depressing. Frankly, if I were buying the house, I would rip out the bathroom first thing. This house is never going on the market, so. I've always wanted to poop in the warm-up area of a kids laser tag arena. Hold on, when was laser tags only for kids? At least you won't see the pubes on the ground. That is very true. No way to make it cozy, just make it more galactic now. You know, we actually considered a star ceiling, but it was tricky to pull off because of the steam shower. Add some candles. There are LED ones that look pretty good and could make it look less like a spaceship and more like a haunted house. Oh, maybe a haunted spaceship. This has to be AI generated because there's no way someone would have designed and built this without a door on the laundry. You know, the frame was already pushed as far back as it could because of the plumbing behind it. And we even recessed some parts into the wall to make the washer sit more flush. We live in the second floor, and without it, we would have to go all the way down to the basement, and that would be such a hassle in the long run. After watching the video, I can totally see why it was 250,000. Absolute insane craftsmanship and technical capabilities. That being said, when stuff starts to fail in a decade or so, it's going to be an absolute nightmare to try to fix, replace, or just live with it. I would constantly be on eggshells that things would break or give out if I used them. Then again, I don't have 250,000 on a bathroom remodel, and if I did, my mind might be less stressed knowing that I have the ability to pay for services. Thanks for sharing. I appreciate it, and we actually agree on the technical part. That's exactly why we built everything on open systems like Homey, so components can be upgraded or replaced over time without having to tear everything apart. The shower system itself is also based on a platform that's been around for 20 plus years, and it's still being actively developed, so we are pretty confident about that side of things. We also made sure that everything is wired and works independently of the internet, so in practice it should be as reliable as a regular switch. If you wanted something warmer, I feel like you should have considered that before completing a bathroom from a goth space station. Okay, so we were originally inspired by the Bali bathrooms, but then we came across the gemstone and we were instantly drawn to the blue tones. So yeah, reminds me of the bathroom on Bob's Burgers. Wait, what? Oh, it's just all black. What in the International Space Station is this? I guess I'm in the wrong engineering field. I mean, the aesthetic is the Hunger Games tribute tower, so the unsettling vibe matches. What makes this look so unsettling? Is it just because it's dark themed? I think this might be what looks like. Hey, that's not a very nice thing to say. This is the nicest strip club bathroom I've ever seen. Are the walls painted black? Let's do a color. Thank you. The tiles are not black or as dark as it seems. Also, adding colors, wouldn't that compete with the blue stone wall? I once went to a spa that had an ice machine set into a shower niche, which was stocked with a bottle of Grey Goose. I'm now firmly on team shower shots and recommend everyone lean into a cold bathroom aesthetic. Who said we need ice? I still can't tell if this is AI or not. I hope it is because it's truly awful. It reminds me of a sketchy bathroom in Berlin. How would you not love showering directly next to your washer and dryer, or the perma wet floor when you're trying to get ready near to the toilet or sink? So it's not AI, guys. I promise it's not AI. And we will also eventually add a glass to separate the shower zone from the dry zone, and the fan activates according to a set humidity, so it only takes a few minutes before it's all gone. It looks small like an RV and the inside of a party limo. Yeah, the length do give it a party limo vibe, I guess. Maybe one of the motorcycles from Tron parked on the side. Okay, let's just go all Tron themed, I guess. By rewinding and not putting every electronic you can think of in a space you'll be in for a whooping half an hour a day. Me and my IBS do not agree on that. That bathroom makes me feel like I'm going to wake up without my kidneys. How else do you think we finalized this bathroom? Looks like a bathroom you would use if someone killed your dog. I'm confused. This looks like a bathroom of a 20-something crypto bro. Yeah. This bathroom looks like it comes with a open flame grill next to the toilet. That would be sick. The contractors who swindled you into paying 250,000 for this will be discussing you for years to come. They got paid hourly. We actually got a discounted rate because we knew the hours would rack up pretty quickly. If you go to the budget, you can see exactly how much we spent, and it's not all on the contractors. It's a lot of other things. I need to see the rest of the house. If this is what the bathroom looks like, does your bedroom disconnect and launch into space? We are currently working on our living room and the rest of the house, so any ideas how to approach it, let me know. This is the best of both worlds. You have a spaceship mixed with grandma's living room. It's perfect. Jumping jellyfish looks like something most people would pay to get rid of. I found out that I'm not like most people. We chose the color of ice and no other color. How do we make it more warm? Yeah, you got a point. I like this. It looks like a bathroom in a spaceship. Cozier. If it was skin and made into a rug, this is a great idea for an Etsy store. Yes, please, someone please do it. A block of ice in a tub should help. Okay, I fix it. Glow-in-the-dark sticky plastic stars on the ceiling should warm it up. Oh, you actually unlocked a childhood memory. But yeah, it doesn't work. It would just fall off. Google lens the picture and you'll find out that it's fake. It is literally right here. You can watch us build the entire bathroom from start to finish. But hey, don't take my word for it. Looks like something from a nightclub. Doesn't feel like home and would be exhausting to look at after a while. OP seems like they really like... That couldn't be further from the truth. I am the most anti-drug person you will ever meet. I value my brain. I do not support that horrible industry. OP keeps saying we, but really not too many people would be all in on these radical choices. If I'm wrong, then congratulations, OP. You found your soulmate. Yes, I am very lucky that I found my soulmate. Did you design and pay for this during a manic episode? I don't think I have any health issues, as I'm aware of. But thank you. Dude, your toilet brush costs the same as my house payment. Yeah, I feel ripped off too. Keep throwing money at it, eventually it will circle back to white again. Yeah, maybe that's the way to go about it. Yeah. Looks like an excellent bathroom to do drugs in. Guys, I hate this so much. Please stop. Looks terrible. Burn it down. Reddit's community has to be one of the most negative and miserable out there. I posted one photo asking for advice. Was a female actually involved in any of this? Yes, me and my husband for 11 years did this. Together, we agreed on every single thing. If you spend $250,000 on a bathroom, you should have hired a designer instead of asking the poors how to fix your shitty decisions. Yeah. Maybe next time. This is a long one. Having gone both number 1 and number 2 in this bathroom, I cannot even tell you how long it took for me to find the door back out again. I need to bring a flashlight next time. My fart also triggered every possible shower head and made for quite the tsunami, sending both the towels and my poop in the air. Everything being either sound or motion sensor based didn't help because the water got high enough for the soap dispenser went berserk and they filled the room to the brim with foam. I tried to scream for help, but the voice activation thought I said on the floor instead of no more and started playing On the Floor by Jennifer Lopez and Pitbull. So there I was floating in the roof high in a mix of soap, towels, piss and poop and bubbles while Jennifer Lopez and Pitbull are telling me to pick your body up and drop it on the floor. And you know, running this shit tonight on the floor. Worst shit ever. And the worst part is, this is not even far from the truth. Oh, wow. Wow, you have absolutely no taste. And then the next comment is, I honestly like it. And there you have it. Some people like it, and most people hate it. I've gotten so many great improvement ideas, so I'm looking into it. And thank you so much for sharing your tips and taking the time to help a rich, non-family oriented person like me to complete my bathroom. You can watch the entire video here, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.